Hi, kindergartners. Today in math, we are going to be learning about greater than and less than. So today, what I need you to do is I need you to go get your math book, go get a pencil, and then turn to page 357. Okay, pause the video, go get your things, and come right back. Okay, kindergartners, before we begin our lesson, there are two words that we need to become familiar with and know in order to do our math today. The first word is greater. Greater means more. So if I look at my picture right here, I can see I have 4 hearts and 2 stars. That means I have more hearts than stars. So I have a greater number of hearts than stars. If I look down here, the word is less. Less, boys and girls, means fewer. That means if you look at my hearts now, I only have 3 hearts. That means I have less hearts than stars, or I have fewer hearts than stars. All right, let's go on to our math sheet now. If you look at our math page right here, you're going to notice that we have an L in the example and we have a G. The L stands for less. The G stands for greater because less starts with an L, and greater starts with a G, g. So remember that L is for less, G is for greater. So boys and girls, if we looked at this first problem, the first thing they did is that they counted the top rectangles, then they count and wrote the number, then they counted the bottom rectangles and wrote the number. And then what they did is they put which one was less and which one was greater. And if we look at the picture, we know that there are less rectangles on the top than the bottom. So we put an L and a G. Now, boys and girls, what they want you to do is they want you to make these two groups equal. Equal means the same. So what they did is you have to cross out the extra ones you see so that the two groups are equal. If you look right now, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on bottom. 6 is equal to 6. So let's do number 2 together. So the first thing you need to do is we need to count the circles on the top. Do this with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you write the number 5 in the box. Now I need to count the circles in the bottom row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Write the number 9. Now what I need to do is I need to look at my two numbers and I need to say to myself, which one is greater than, which one is less? So let me look at the top. 5 is less than 9, meaning I have fewer number of circles. And if I look at all these circles that are missing at the top. That is fewer. So that means I have to put an L here for less. 5 is less than 9. So we know 9 is greater than 5. So I need to put a G. Now, boys and girls, what I need to do is I need to cross out the extra circles so that the two groups are equal. So I'm going to cross out until I get to them being equal. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to cross out 4. I'm going to stop because now if I look, the two groups are equal. Let's count to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is equal to 5. Let's do one more together. So the first thing you need to do is count the triangles in the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Write the number 9. Now we need to count the triangles at the bottom row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we need to write an L or a G or L, whatever it works, whichever is the right answer. So if I look, 9, is that greater than 6 or is 9 less than 6? Well, if I look, it looks like there's more triangles on the top than the bottom. That tells me then that 9 is greater than. So I put a G. And 6 is less than 9. So I put an L. Now I need to go back and make the two groups equal. So I start over here and I cross out until I know I have an equal number of triangles. I'm going to stop. Let's count to make sure they're the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 on top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 on bottom. 6 is equal to 6. Okay, I want you to finish the other 3 problems and then have an adult check your work. Now let's flip over our paper to the back. Oh, look who we see. Who is that? It's Puzzle Penguin. We know Puzzle Penguin makes a lot of mistakes, don't we, kindergartners? And Puzzle Penguin, we have to check his work. That means we need to be the teachers. Okay, so we have to look at his page he did here. I already noticed something he's done wrong. Puzzle Penguin, you forgot to make the groups equal. Let's look at the first one. Let's count first to see if he did it right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6. He wrote 6. Okay, that's right. Now I'm going to count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. He's got 7 at the bottom. Now let's check his less than and greater than. Let's see if that's right. Is 6 less than 7? It is. Is 7 greater than 6? He's right there, but look at what he did. That was the first thing I noticed. Puzzle Penguin forgot to make the groups equal. Oh, we better cross it out. Let's help him. We're going to fix his work. Now the 2 groups are equal. Let's do number 8 together. Let's check his work. The first thing we have to do is we have to count the squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. He got 8. He's right. Okay, let's count the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. He wrote that number right. Now let's look at his greater than and less than. 8, he put as greater than 10. I'm looking at the picture and I'm seeing less squares on the top row than the bottom. I think Puzzle Penguin did it wrong. Oh no, he made another mistake. I'll have to cross out the G. I have to cross out the L. This is less than. 8 is less than 10. So this means this is greater than. 10 is greater than 8. Again, Puzzle Penguin forgot to do what? You're right. Cross out to make the groups equal. So I'm going to cross out 2 squares so that my groups are equal, which means the same. I want you to check Puzzle Penguin's work for number 9 and for number 10 and see if he made any mistakes. You be the teacher. All right, kindergartners, when you're all done, have your mom or dad or an adult check your work. Okay, keep working hard. Bye.